I thanks a lot for taking the first step. And honestly, I watching this video alone shows that you are truly serious about fixing your lead generation or client acquisition once and for all. Well, my name is Henry Moses. You can basically call me Coach Henry. I recorded this video for you because trust is everything in business. And I want you to know who you are really learning from. So if you are a freelancer, a creator, or service provider struggling to land high paying clients, well, it is not because you lack talent. Nobody shows you a simple step by step system. That is why I put together this 7 days lead generation challenge built especially for professionals who want consistent paying clients. So you will learn simple reward, how to target the right audience who needs your service, how to use platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, social media to find buyers, and how to generate leads, how to set up personalized campaigns and send bulk direct messages that actually get reply, and how to follow up neatly without sounding pushy. And also, listen to me, you can actually do all these things with your smartphone. Yes. So you can run entire freelance business, everything with just your smartphone. So you find clients, get send outreach, close deals right from your phone. So you get instant access once you make the complete the purchase. But first, I want you to do something for me before you continue this. Before you continue with this, I want you to first subscribe to this channel because it will help push it and it will help get this it will get help this channel get visible, not just this channel. After you have done that, kindly help me go back to the click on more option, then you'll see the seller link and other informations there in the description of this video. Just click on the description, you see all the information, then you will be able to you'll see all the things you need to do. So once you have done all those things, so it will take you you'll see all the things you need to do. So now let me just regarding there will be a live session every Sunday night where we are going to be tackling how to fix your pitching, your messaging. So if you have any question, that is the time you have it. Although the group is always open every time, so all the questions you have will be dropped during the week. But every Sunday we are going to have a live class. So um this is going to be a master class. This is not just a live class, so it is 100% guaranteed for results. You are going to see live results every single day. If you just follow the instruction, you see the results that you have been waiting for. So, and it's going to be a community, so community of like-minded people that want growth. So make sure you, after watching this video, kindly check the description, follow all the instruction, and make sure you do the right thing. Click the link, and I'll see you in the group.